do you say this word? Did you say Nike? Or maybe someone could say Nike. Okay, the right pronunciation of that word is Nike. Nike. So you don't say Nike. So the same way you say bike is not the same way you say this one, because there is N and then there is B. This particular one, the pronunciation is Nike. Okay? I bought a pair of Nike shoes yesterday. Okay? Nike, not Nike. Is that right? Okay, what about this word? How do you pronounce it? I know many people say wifey. Many people say wifey. Here, wifey. Okay, I'm not here to judge you. I'm just here to help. That word is not wifey. Okay? It's pronounced as Y-fai. Just starts with Y. Y. Then fi. The same way you say the Y is the same way you say the FI. So Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection is very strong today. Why is the Wi-Fi connection fluctuating? Can you turn on your Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi. Don't say Wi-Fi. I hope you have learned. Okay, the last one I'm going to talk about today, I promise, is this one. How do you say it? I know majority of people in Nigeria say Heineken, and you are one of them. Do you say Heineken? No, talk true. Talk true. Talk true now. Okay, that word is not Heineken. The word is pronounced as ʻhaɪnɪkən.
Oh my God!
ʻhaɪnɪkən. ʻhaɪnɪkən. Okay? You don't say Heineken. Say Heineken. Please, can I have a bottle of Heineken? Give me a bottle of Heineken there. To say enter. So try as much as you can to say Heineken, not Heineken. I hope you have learned. Next time we could talk about other words you may find interesting. I'll see you again. Bye for now. I am still your one and only Miss B, and I am rooting for you. Bye.